How to use Grok 4.5. Grok 4.5 is XAI's flagship AI model built into X and Grok.com. Let's walk through how to set it up and use its features. So start by signing in via your X account, Google, or email. You can also download the Grok app from iOS or Android. And then free tier gives basic text or image generation. Super Grok Lite unlocks faster responses, while Super Grok offers full 128K contacts and advanced features. The interface is simple. A chat window with toggles for deep search, think mode, and voice mode. Your conversation history is saved in the sidebar. You can run real-time searches, generate images and short videos, or switch to voice chat. Think mode gives deeper reasoning for complex problems. So in here, you can type your first query and Grok pulls live data from X and the web, giving context beyond static AI models. Grok 4.5 is powerful for freelancers, creators, and students who need real-time research and multimedia outputs.